You ever have one of those brilliant ideas for an ad, but actually making it? Phew, feels impossible, right? Well, you're not alone.
Yeah, it's kind of like having all the puzzle pieces scattered on the table, but with no picture on the box to guide you. And all that feedback you get, it just feels like more noise, not real clarity.
See, you don't need another opinion. What you really need is a clear path forward, a strategic roadmap, and that is exactly where the ad creative director comes in. So let me introduce you to the ad creative director. Think of it as a brand new kind of AI partner that just cuts through all that creative chaos. It takes your raw thoughts and helps you shape them into a polished, professional campaign. Okay, so here's the magic behind it. It's not just another chatbot. This thing literally thinks like a professional marketer. It uses a special kind of reasoning to map out a whole structured plan instead of just, guessing or reacting to what you type. So how does it do it? Well, it's a simple three-step process. First, it takes your big idea and breaks it down into clear, creative angles. Then, and this is key, it connects that strategy to proven design patterns, stuff that actually works in the real world. And finally, it picks the absolute best path forward. No more guesswork for you.
This is a total game changer, especially if you're a solopreneur looking for clarity or part of a small team that needs real direction. It's all built on proven design logic, and the best part? It plugs right into your Google Antigravity workflow. Super seamless.
And really, this is what it all comes down to. This is more than just a tool. It's a partner. It gives you that confidence to finally execute your vision because, well, you're not creating alone anymore. So, if you are ready to turn that creative chaos into real clarity, you've got to check this out. If you'd like to purchase it, the Gumroad link is in the comments.